The T-junction test evaluates the ability of the CxDC to prevent collisions at T-junctions. During this test, interventions from the CxD system will be applied to all test vehicles. In this test vehicles 1 and 2 are heavy mining equipment vehicles. Test vehicle 3 is a light-duty vehicle. A 90-degree T-junction is used. The test area speed limit must be at least 20 km per hour. This test comprises 2 scenarios. Scenario 1, 2 HMEs approaching. Test vehicle 1 and 2 approach the T-junction at 10 km per hour. Scenario 2, HME and LDV approaching. Test vehicle 1 and 3 approach the T-junction at 10 km per hour.